Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly AI for academic writing. So here is the step-by-step guide to using Grammarly effectively for academic purpose. So simply just download your Grammarly application on your Windows or Mac, and after you will just simply create an account and just sign up with your Google account easily. And when you just sign up, you will see this interface like of this, and I will just tap on this new button. So let's see. So right now I will, before you just writing your whatever your article or context on it, you will just set the goal of academic writing. I will just tap on the goals button, and in here you will see the academic. So but right now I will not able to use it academic writing because is this feature in a premium subscription. You will have to buy the plan of it, and after getting the plan you will get customized suggestions for businesses writing, academic writing, assignments and more. So that's it. In this way you can just use Grammarly AI for academic writing. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.